Nuts, seeds and nut butters. 1. Almonds. 2. Peanuts. 3. Walnuts. 4. Cashews. 5. Pistachios. 6. Macadamia nuts. 7. Chia seeds. 8. Flax seeds. 9. Sunflower seeds. 10. Nut butters, peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. Cheese wedge dairy products. 11. Whole milk. 12. Full-fat Greek yogurt. 13. Cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan. 14. Butter. 15. Ghee, clarified butter. 16. Cream cheese. 17. Heavy cream. 18. Milkshakes. Cut of meat protein-rich animal foods. 19. Red meat, beef, lamb. 20. Chicken thighs/drumsticks. 21. Pork, bacon, chops. 22. Salmon. 23. Tuna in oil. 24. Sardines. 25. Eggs, especially whole eggs. Bread, carbs and grains. 26. White rice. 27. Brown rice. 28. Oats. 29. Granola. 30. Whole grain bread. 31. Pasta, white or whole wheat. 32. Couscous. 33. Quinoa. Banana fruits, fresh and dried. 34. Bananas. 35. Avocados. 36. Dates. 37. Raisins. 38. Figs, dried or fresh. 39. Mangoes. Chocolate bar extras for easy calories. 40. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more. White heavy checkmark pro tips for gaining weight. Eat every 2 to 3 hours, even if you're not hungry. Add healthy fats to meals, olive oil, nuts, avocado, etc. Drink your calories, smoothies, shakes, milk. Lift weights to turn calories into muscle, not just fat. Want a one-day sample high-calorie meal plan or smoothie recipes? Just say the word.